Hi, everybody. This is Darlene Rodowitz, President and CEO. I just want to take the time today to say Happy Hospital Week and Happy Nurses Week to each and every one of you. And thank you for all that you do every single day to take care of our community, our family, and our friends. I hope that you find some time during this week for yourselves to reflect on the wonderful and purposeful work that you do every day to serve this community, and to also take care of yourselves a little bit as well. Thanks again for all that you have done, especially during the past 2 years with this COVID pandemic. And once again, Happy Hospital Week and Happy Nurses Week.
Hey, it's Chris Camillo, the Vice President that supports our medical group practices, Berkshire Faculty Services. Again, this week provides a great opportunity to pause and reflect and think. Certainly it's been a strange and wild last couple of years here. And again, throughout it all, it sort of reminds me of what I love best about being part of Berkshire Health. That we're truly a community health system dedicated to our mission, focused on the care and well-being of our community. I'm grateful for the chance to work and support our teams of caregivers and all of those who help our patients feel well cared for. My family, my 2 daughters, my wife, all get their care with us here at Berkshire Health. And that's what makes us special. It's neighbors taking care of neighbors, families taking care of families. So on behalf of my family, a big thank you and a big shout out, and wishing us all continued success.
Nonprofit work is certainly noble, but it usually doesn't involve risking your life, unless you're a healthcare worker during a pandemic. I think everyone in the nonprofit sector greatly admires the courage of our healthcare workers over the last couple of years. We cannot thank you enough for taking care of our community. With gratitude for all you have weathered and continue to confront, thank you for your dedication.
Happy National Nursing Week. Berkshire Pride wants to thank all of our nurses for their frontline service.
You are all amazing and true frontline heroes. Thank you for dragging yourself out of bed and going above and beyond the call of duty. Thank you so much.
To all the nurses, you guys rock.
Happy National Nursing Week. Berkshire Pride would like to thank all our nurses for their frontline service. Thank you for all that you do.
Hello, I'm Brenda Ketterat, Chief Nurse at Berkshire Medical Center. I want to take a moment to wish you a happy Hospital Week and a happy Nurses Week. And thank you for the compassionate, kind, expert care you deliver to our patients every day, and especially during this pandemic. You make a difference. You have kept and continue to keep our community healthy and safe. It's such an honor and a privilege to work with such an amazing team. And again, happy Hospital Week and happy Nurses Week. Thank you for all you do.
Hola, me llamo Miguel, yo soy el coordinador de estudiantes de Literacy Network. Todos aquí en LitNet estamos muy agradecidos y queremos enviarle unas gracias gigantes a todos los trabajadores de la salud. Ustedes son un grupo extremadamente importante y su trabajo es muy necesitado. Sigan haciendo ese gran trabajo y muchas gracias de parte de todas las personas aquí en LitNet.
Hi everyone, I'm Linda Tyre, Mayor of the City of Pittsfield, and we are celebrating National Nurses Week. So I want to extend my sincere gratitude to all of our healthcare workers for keeping our community safe and healthy. Thank you for all you do today and every day.
My name is Nina Ranadive Pooley, and I'm the rector of St. Stephen's Episcopal Church here in Pittsfield on Park Square. On behalf of all of us who moved to the Berkshires during the middle of the pandemic, I want to thank you for being the kind of health system that made it feel safe to do so at such a challenging time. On behalf of the congregation of St. Stephen's, the people who eat at St. Stephen's table, the many 12-step groups who meet in our building, and the vast number of vulnerable people who we are privileged to be part of in community who may not have an opportunity to say this to you in person, thank you. Thanks for the courage it takes to be on the front line, and honestly, for the way you do the work you do, for your generosity of spirit, your patience, your kindness, your compassion, and honestly, most of all, for your sense of humor. Thank you.
Thanking healthcare workers and nurses isn't just for Hospital Week and Nurses Week. We thank you every day for keeping our community safe and healthy.
Hello, I'm Smitty Pignatelli, and I proudly serve as the state representative for the 4th, soon-to-be 3rd Berkshire District. And I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you so much to all of our wonderful frontline healthcare workers for the fantastic job that they always do, but more importantly, especially during the last couple of years. COVID has been a challenge for everybody, but the Berkshires are safe and healthy because of your great work. So just a sign of my appreciation and say thank you very much. I wish you all the best going forward, and thank you for keeping the Berkshires the great shape that we're in right now. Keep up the good work.
Hi, this is Tom Bernard, President and CEO of Berkshire United Way. At Berkshire United Way, we say that we're here for good in the community, and that's something we have in common with the incredible team at Berkshire Health Systems. So during this National Hospital Week and National Nurses Week, I join leaders across our community, people across our community, in saying thank you to the team at Berkshire Health Systems for everything you do to make our community stronger, healthier, and more resilient. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Allison Peters. I'm the director of the CRA in Dalton. We are a community house and we have people coming and going all the time. So when the pandemic struck, it was devastating for us. It is through your hard work that the CRA in places like ours were able to make it through the pandemic and reopen safely. We know that this was done at great risk to you and your families, and I can't imagine the amount of sacrifice that you have made over the past couple years. Thank you so much for your dedication and commitment to keeping our community safe.
Hello, I'm here on behalf of Tony Rinaldi and myself as leaders at Fairview Hospital, and we would like to congratulate you on National Hospital Week. And we know how hard each of you works to take care of patients, families, and community. And we are always so blown away that people tell us how much you care about them. And we know that it's not what you do, but it's also how you do it. And how you do it is to really always look at what patients, family, and community, what matters to them. And that's why you always care for them in a very centric way. And we're really proud of that. So we know it takes a village, so it takes everybody to do everything that they can do to the best that they can do it. And we know it's why both of us are so proud to be able to work with each of you. So let me just tell you on behalf of us that you and we are all healthcare. And thank you.
This is John Barrett, State Representative from the 1st Berkshire District. What can I say about our healthcare workers here in Berkshire County? They're dedicated, they're professional, and they're caring people. They were there when we always needed them, and they will continue to be there for us in the future. We cannot thank you enough for all the hard work that you've done on our behalf and for us, making sure that our family needs are met and also making sure that the patients that you take care of are treated in the best possible way. We're very lucky to have you. Congratulations for a job well done, and know one other thing. You are greatly appreciated in my district and throughout Berkshire County. Best wishes always.
Good afternoon. My name is Tony Jackson. I'm the president of Westside Legends. And I'd like to just give a big shout out to the VHS for all their support in the community. We've hosted colon cancer awareness, and we've also did COVID. So they're a big partner in trying to make sure that people on the West Side stay healthy and happy. Thank you very much for your support and your love for the community. Love you too, VHS.
Hello, this is Paul Mark, State Representative for the 2nd Berkshire District, and I wanted to take a moment today to thank the employees at Berkshire Medical Center and Berkshire Health Systems for the incredible work you've been doing under the strain of COVID over these past couple of years. Working on the front line at a medical center is always a challenge, and to stick through it under these incredibly unpredictable circumstances has been so amazing to watch and so appreciated by the community. So thank you for everything you've done, and we look forward to supporting you in the future as well.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. It didn't take a pandemic to make us realize how much we're indebted to you and all of your work and how grateful we are, but it sure has highlighted your central role in our lives, in our community, and your heroism. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi everyone, Mayor Maxey here from the City of North Adams. I just want to reach out to all of our healthcare workers and thank you for all that you do for our community. It's been a rough couple of years, but you serve us all so well, and we appreciate everything you do. So thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Hi, this is Bart Razor, Chairman of the Board. On behalf of the Board, a sincere and heartfelt thank you. Thank you to the janitorial team who keeps our hospital clean and germ-free, and to the receptionist who welcomes our patients with a smile, to the cafeteria workers who give us good food, to the therapists, to the techs, to the doctors and the nurses, a sincere and heartfelt thank you. You are heroes to our hospital and our community, and we are so appreciative.